Step into the timeless elegance of this 1940 Buick Century. With its sleek black exterior and sophisticated beige interior, this classic beauty is a true testament to vintage automotive craftsmanship. Under the hood, it features the original straight-8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, which was recently rebuilt in 2022, along with a brand new clutch. The odometer reads 0, indicating a fresh start for its next owner. While the interior does need some attention, the car runs and drives smoothly, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The title is clear, ensuring a hassle-free transfer of ownership. At just $15,000, this is a rare opportunity to own a piece of history. If you're looking for a project car that holds significant restoration potential, this Buick Century could be an ideal investment. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more photos and details.